Hello, my name is Jean-Marie Bourron, and today I will show you how to build a house in Minecraft. So first I will introduce myself. So I will introduce myself. I'm a native uh, uh, American, which means I have a very good English accent. So it's really fun. Let's start building the house. So to build a house, you will need to play in Minecraft. Because if you don't play in Minecraft, you can't build the house in Minecraft. So you have a bunch of buttons on the screen. There is a single player button, a multiplayer button, and some useless buttons over there. This button is useless, for example. So first, you will need to click with the mouse on this. Right? Was it difficult? I don't think so. Then you have to choose a world. You can create a world. For this video, I will create a new world which is called without name 1 because it's really so. After that, you will need to make a super flat because I don't want to. And then you click on the button. So it's loading the world and building the terrain, as it is explained on. So here we are with a beautiful texture, and now you will need some block. So for example, I will use in this video my favorite block, which is a sponge, wet sponge, and also jack-o'-lantern, and also cactus, and also sand, because you need to put the cactus on the sand, and also this, and also some of this, and also some lava, because lava is cool. So first you will need to do the base of the maison, of the house. Sorry, because I'm learning French, so sometimes I use a French word because it's a plural. So here you have the beautiful maison, house. So for example, what is that shit? I don't know what is it. I am afraid I will finish quickly the maison of the house because I am afraid of this bullshit. What is that? This is really strange. So now I will put some mycelium over there. This is a fail, but I don't give a shit. So we'll keep doing that forever and doing. Oh, it's so now you will need to do the roof as I am doing the roof. So a roof is really important because, for example, when you have rain, if you don't have roof, you are, and then you are. So you need a roof because without a roof, you are in the shit. So here we have a really good maison, so a house, and then we'll put some block over there. Voila, as we say in French. Some lava here for the bath. Some chimney right here with a cactus. I am saying too much. So we need a door. This one will do it. So alors, as you can see, I said alors, I don't give a shit. As you can see, the door is closed. So if you want to open the door, you need to do a hole in here, to make a block here, to open the door, to go outside, to re-break the wall, to place a block here, to place the block here, to go outside, to close the door, to open the door, and you are in, which is really cool. You will need some windows. So for the windows, I will use, of course, this block because it's obvious. And now you have some pretty cool windows. Is there a block? Oh yes, the lumière. So for the light, I can't put it here because it needs a block. So I will use this window. Oh no, it's not a window, I'm gonna die, but I need to go outside. I am outside, but I need to repair the house. Oh, how can I, oh, I need to break these blocks. I am in, the lava, I need to go outside. I'm safe now. Oh no, so now you have the house finished with some jack-o'-lantern over there. And this house is... from my point of view, oh, it's difficult to talk English. Really a good house. No, I'm just making a silence because if I do things like that, the video will last longer, and it's better for me. So now that we have a house, we can do something better. Like leaving a game, for example. Yes, I am. So, I have a message from someone named Damien, which will probably watch this video. And I have to, it's written on the paper, huh? I have to say something to him. Damien, so you, if you are listening this bullshit at school, you can be sure I will make you eat a sandwich. A sandwich. But I cannot eat a sandwich because if you eat it, no, it's you can't do that. So never mind. No, don't do that because you don't have the right to do that. As you probably noticed. For this video, I used a pretty a good English accent because I think if you want people to understand you, you need two things. First, a really good English accent, which I have, and secondly, so I said first and not firstly, but don't give a shit. And secondly, you will need to finish every sentence. So that's all the video is finished now. So please leave a red thumb or a dislike because I don't know your point of view, but from my point of view, this video is really bullshit. And don't forget to I need the English words because I don't know it. Yes, you can see over there that I tried to find the software to record the video. So we'll go on word reference to finish the sentence. So yes, I was saying, don't forget to spit on the video. That's all. Thank you for watching, and don't I already said that.